Watch this video and learn how to draw a red barn. Later in the video, Artie has a dance break. And keep watching to the end to see Louie in one of his shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Let's do it! It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah. What are we gonna draw today?
Well, today, Artie, we're going to draw a red barn.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Are you ready to make some art?
Yeah.
Is everything ready?
Yeah, I got my pens. Yeah, pens.
Do you have paper?
Oh, yeah, I got my paper too.
Well, what else do we need?
Well, just to start.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yeah, let's start the art.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Let's draw a straight line at an angle on the left side of the page. And then from the end of that straight line, another angled straight line, this time going in more towards the center. Now let's try and draw exactly the same, but on the right side of the page. And let's draw the same shape just underneath the first one. Did you know, Artie, that red barns can be found on farms? They're used to store equipment and sometimes hay.
Oh. Wow.
Next time we drive past a farm, I'll point out the barn to you.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that's the roof nearly drawn, Artie. That's a very good start. It looks awesome. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thanks, Barry. Now, let's draw a straight line coming down on the left side and another one on the right side. They're the sides of our barn. And a straight line all the way across the bottom to connect the whole thing together. Now let's draw a little square window right at the top inside the barn. That's it, Artie. That's a very good square. Let's draw another square outside of the first one. That's going to be the window frame.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi! Wow! Your art is so good, it could be in a museum.
Oh, wow.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Bye for now, Artie.
Bye.
Bye.
That window looks awesome, Artie. Very good work. Now, let's draw the big doors into the barn. A straight line on the left, another straight line on the right, then connect the two together along the top, and now we have a doorway.
Oh, dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah. Can we have a dance break, please?
Well, I mean, I
Dance
suppose...
break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
Okay.
Yay! Okay.
Dance break, it's time for a dance break.
He can really dance!
audience will agree with me, but it has to be a 10.
Oh, dance break.
That was awesome, Artie.
Yeah, that was really fun.
You did a great job.
A little bit tired.
We can have a nap later.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Okay.
Now let's draw the planks on the front of the barn. Keep watching for one of Louie's shape breaks coming right up. Great job, Artie. I love the way you're drawing those planks. Nice straight lines. Oh, and that's right. The nice top to the door frame. Let's draw some more planks. All these lines that indicate the planks are really giving our drawing a nice texture. You're doing a great job today, Artie. I love it when you really get in the zone. What's that laughing?
Oh, it sounds like painting. Oh, no.
Very funny.
Barry, it's not funny because now there's blue paint everywhere. I'm going to have to clean it up. Okay, hold on. I'm just getting my cloth. All right. Okay. But you keep drawing, Artie. I'm just cleaning this blue paint off the floor. There's a bit on the wall here. Okay, I think I got most of it. Oh, nice job, Artie. I see you're adding some detail in the doors.
Artie wants shape break.
Oh, you want a shape break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the Shape Break. I'm Louie, and I'm going to teach you today about this shape right here. Now, this is a pentagon. Funny name, really. Pentagon. And it has 5 sides. We're going to count them together. Are you ready? Here we go. So, along the bottom there, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? 5 sides with a pointy top and a flat bottom. Now, what kind of shapes are pentagon shaped? Well, diamonds, very expensive, you know. Diamonds, they're a pentagon shape. My house actually is a sort of pentagon shaped, and a tent. We actually see a nice little circus tent here. They're pentagon shaped sometimes. You know those little black shapes on a soccer ball? Not the white, but the little black shapes in between the white. They're pentagon shapes as well. And, well, Superman's logo, you know, on his chest. That's an upside down pentagon. It is indeed, yes. And, here's a good one. Why did the Pentagon change its name to the Square? Because they were cutting corners. Yes, it's a bit out there, that one. Anyway, Pentagon.
Whenever I think of Artie, I think of the heart shape.
Oh, Louie, that was good. Yeah. Oh, Artie learned a lot.
All about pentagons.
Shape break, yeah.
Well, let's carry on with the drawing now. Okay, just that right side to do on the doorway. I like how you're being really accurate on this drawing, Artie. Very precise. That takes a lot of patience.
Yep.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
All we need to do now is a diagonal line across the middle of the door. That's a nice big plank in the middle of the door, and then one on the right side as well, but at the opposite angle. That's it, Artie. Oh, this is looking so good. I can't wait to see it coloured. I think it's finished. What do you think, Artie?
I'm finished.
I think it needs something else, though.
Yeah?
What does it need?
I think it needs some color. Yay!
Of course.
Color it in, Artie.
All done.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks great.
Yeah.
I love the red colour.
Thank you.
Awesome work.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look out!